What if I told you that crypto.com is now the second largest crypto exchange in the world by market share? This is true. And the CRO, crypto.com coin that we've talked a lot about on this channel. I do love the CRO token. I've been holding CRO for a very long time. I've been in it all the way since I think 2018. I started to get into CRO. I believe that this coin can go to $5. I believe that that is achievable, possibly even in this bull market. Now, it's not going to be an easy road ahead, but I will tell you this. The CEO is speaking out. He's been posting on X more than ever before. The roadmap that crypto.com has laid out is incredible. They've got more new tokens coming into their ecosystem, more projects, crypto games that are coming into their ecosystem that they're listing on their exchange. We've got some meme coins that there's some drama in the meme coin ecosystem in Cronos, but at least since there's drama, there's noise, there's attention that can be drawn to it. I hope that maybe, some of the drama can cool off. We're going to talk a little bit about some of that, but I want to focus in on the CRO token. For those of you guys that are still learning more about it, why is this coin going to be valuable in this upcoming bull market? Because for those of you guys that aren't aware of this already, we are right now in a parabolic bull market. The 4-year cycle is still happening in crypto, meaning that we have a lot of upside coming for cryptocurrency because Bitcoin is now above $100,000. Altcoin season is in full effect, and Pepe is exploding. A lot of meme coins and altcoins are exploding. And I believe that CRO has a ton of upside ahead. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content. We have so much content that we're putting out on a daily basis for you guys. Here it is. We're going to come back to this. This makes $4 possible, okay? 5 is on the table. We'll circle back here. CRO compared to Binance. I'm going to come back to that, okay, guys? I want to start this thing off and just look at the overall market cap for cryptocurrency and what we've got going on in the broader market to begin. Bitcoin's at 100K. It's up beautifully. Most importantly right now, Ethereum is rallying. Why is Ethereum rallying important? Because we know that Bitcoin's been exploding, but we've been waiting for Bitcoin dominance to start coming down in this market. And with Bitcoin dominance coming down, Ethereum is going to start to come up. And Ethereum is important to look at when you're talking about Coin, Pepe, a variety of your favorite altcoins, because when Ethereum is pumping, that is a signal to say that Bitcoin dominance is showing weakness. That means that money is starting to flow into cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. And the cool thing about that, guys, is when you start to look at some of the market capitalizations, the amount of money that's invested in some of these projects, as you go lower and lower down the list, they are smaller market caps. Well, what does a smaller market cap mean? Well, it potentially means more risk, which also potentially means more reward. And it means more reward potentially because when you look at the market cap of Cronos, it's only at a $5 billion market cap. When you look at the market cap of a coin like XRP, for example, it's already at a $143 billion market cap. For XRP to 2x, it needs to go at this point to a 280, that would be actually a $280 billion market cap. It's going to be hard for another $140 billion to flow into XRP. It's possible. I'm bullish on XRP. I think it can go higher. But when you look back to Coin and you see that it's only at a $5 billion market cap, if you want Coin CRO, the Cronos token, to 2x, $5 billion needs to come in. Well, how achievable really is that? You might ask, Crypto Kip. How possible is that? Well, considering the fact that since November 16th to the current day, it's currently December 6th. So in just 20 days, we've had 600 billion flow into the entire crypto space, 100 billion of which flow into XRP alone. So why am I getting to this $5 coin and why do I really think it's possible? Well, in this parabolic bull market, the top coins by market cap are the ones that typically are the easiest to get inflows because people go to websites like CoinMarketCap and they start looking at some of these top projects and they start learning about them. And when you realize that the Binance token is currently sitting at rank number 6 with a $109 billion market cap, that just tells you that a $100 billion market cap for an exchange token is possible. What do the Binance token and the CRO token have in common? Well, Binance is a major exchange, so is Crypto.com. The Binance exchange has its own smart chain. Well, so does the Cronos chain. They have their own chain. Crypto.com has the Cronos chain. The Binance token is the token that you pay your gas fees with on the Binance chain. The CRO token is the same. Crypto.com's CRO even has additional features that the Binance token doesn't even have. When you talk about the Visa cards, when you talk about some of the staking capabilities they have on their platform, there's so many different things going on, and then Binance has a ton going on in its DeFi ecosystem as well on the Binance Smart Chain, but these are comparable chains. And so how is Crypto.com doing versus Binance? Well, I put out this tweet recently. This is very exciting news being reported by CoinGecko, one of the world's largest independent crypto data aggregators out there, showing this list of top 10 centralized exchanges by market share in November of 2024. Binance has 39% of the market, and Crypto.com has 11% of the market. And so what I'm saying to you guys in this video is not that, and by the way, we have seen Crypto.com surpass all these other exchanges. It was smaller than Coinbase at one point. It was smaller than OKX. Crypto.com is growing fast, and it's not by random mistake. They've done so many moves to get regulatory compliance in each country that they've gone into. They've had incredible marketing campaigns, from taking the Staples Center in California and turning it into, is that I think that's in California. Yeah. Taking the Staples Center and converting it into the Crypto.com arena, doing the F1 racing sponsorships. They got the UFC brand awareness campaigns as well. UFC is getting bigger and bigger. That was a great one I think they did. They had the FIFA World Cup marketing campaign. They had a Super Bowl commercial with LeBron James. They obviously had that Matt Damon ad as well. So they've spent a lot to eventually grow a lot, and they've succeeded in doing so. So now at 11% of market share, should the Crypto.com token be bigger than Binance token right now? No, it shouldn't be, because it's only 1/4 of the market share of Binance. So that alone tells you that you see that CRO is undervalued, in my opinion, because if the market share for Crypto.com is 1/4 of what it is for Binance, the market cap could easily be that as well. 109, let's call it $100 billion is in Binance. Only $5 billion is in Crypto.com CRO token. There should be $20 billion more just so that the market share for Binance and the market share for Crypto.com align with their market caps. I hope that makes sense to some of you guys out there. That's why I believe that in this parabolic bull market, the Binance token is going to see gains. I think the Binance token could potentially 4x. It could potentially 5x in this bull market. And what I'm telling you guys is, as you look at this diagram, you can see that right now, CRO token, if it was to achieve the current market cap of Binance, that's a $100 billion market cap, okay? That's a $100 billion market cap. That's a 20x from here. That's a $4 CRO. It's not much more to get to $5 at this point. And if you look at this total market cap for crypto, and you envision a world where Crypto.com continues to take market share, which I think it's going to continue to do. They're getting better and better at what they do, and they have their amazing roadmap, and I'm going to talk about the CEO here in a second. As this market cap climbs and as Crypto.com continues to expand their market share, they're only going to get more brand awareness. The CRO token is only going to get more brand awareness as well. And I think that means that the CRO token can really go a lot higher. I think it can go a lot higher. Its previous highs in the last bull market was almost $1. I think that it can go 4 or 5x higher than that, just as I believe that Binance token can do in this cycle as well. And who knows, guys, maybe it could go higher. Maybe $5 is bearish. Maybe it's way too bullish. But I've said for a very long time, I believe a $2 to $5 CRO is possible. I think we're on the right track for that. And here's one other reason why. Recently, Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com, came out and said, the next stage of Crypto.com's parabolic growth begins today. This was on November 5th. He did an Ask Me Anything session with the Crypto.com users and the community, the CRO fam, as the Crypto.com community calls themselves. Shout out to the CRO fam. On this AMA and on this news, where they released this roadmap where they're talking about launching banking services. Banking services. That's something that Binance doesn't offer. You think they're going to get more market share with banking services? Probably. They're talking about doing a Cronos ETF. Binance is not in discussions to do a Binance ETF because they are not regulatory compliant within the US, but Crypto.com is. The growth potential on crypto.com is huge. Some people out there just think I'm a mega bull because I want to be the most bullish Cronos guy. I am bullish on Cronos because I'm looking at the evidence and it's incredibly bullish. They've got a Cronos ETF they're talking about launching in 2025. They've got a US exchange that has yet to launch here in the US, and they're already taking so much market share. In the United States of America is a leading crypto market. Right now, they're a leading crypto. They're right now a huge player in the US market, crypto.com is, with only their app, which, as you know, the app has a quite large spread. It's not the most effective app for trading, no doubt. But when that US exchange launches in the US and it becomes an effective place for people to be trading here in the US, their market share is going to continue to explode, which gets more and more bullish for the crypto.com token. I want to briefly talk about some of the meme coins. I've talked a lot about Mary token. I believe a listing could come. A lot of people have doubts of that. I've taken a lot of bookmarks of people that have said that they don't believe it's going to happen. I believe it's going to happen. If and when it is something that happens, I will be tweeting out a lot about these bookmarks that I saw. Another thing I want to show you guys that's cool about Cronos chain right now, aside from Mary, but it is related to Mary, is this. They have this very cool function now on their app where you can do kind of a balanced portfolio of the Cronos ecosystem. You can go get a balanced portfolio of coins in the Avalanche and the Ethereum ecosystem. Well, in the Cronos ecosystem, what's very cool, shout out to the Crow with Knife army, is Crow with Knife is right now in this basket. So is Corgi AI, and actually now is Capybara as well, which is a new coin that launched. I would imagine now there's a new coin that launched Balls on Cronos, which is a game. Capybara is also a Telegram game as well. Capybara got listed on crypto.com. A lot of people are rumoring that Balls is going to get listed on crypto.com. And I think that Balls was created and Mary supply was sent into this Balls presale, which is going to be a catalyst for Mary to get listed eventually. Back to this portfolio deal, this whole neat little basket of crypto coins they have for Cronos. There's a world where maybe Balls makes it into this, and maybe even Mystery Mary token makes it into this. You've probably seen Joey Ho. He's a controversial figure, but he did have a good point. Other day, Fulcrum was pumping, and why was it pumping? Well, maybe because it is in this basket of Cronos plays. And I think that any coin that's in this basket is going to be bullish for them in this bull market. And so, if Mary does actually get a listing, I just thought of this the other day. If it gets listed at this basket, that's going to be another bullish catalyst as well. So we'll see what happens with it right now. Right now, the Cronos ecosystem is flat to calm. Some of the coins are down for almost all the coins every single coin is actually down from their highs. Nothing's in price discovery mode right now. Considering we're in altcoin season right now, and if you look at the 24 hours, I think Black Sea might be doing a video on Pepe later today. You can see that Pepe's up 20%. Memes are pumping. Floki's up. Dog with Hats up. Peanut the Squirrel's up. Bonk's up. I think that we could have a big Cronos meme pump soon. Let's see what happens with Balls and Capybara. I'm not crazy about those. I do have some Balls right now. We'll see exactly how that plays out. I don't know. I'm like, guys, do your own research. Know that all these memes on Cronos are extremely risky, but also know that they're very low market cap. And if Cronos ecosystem is successful, which I think it will be because of this roadmap that we're seeing where they're doing Cronos ETFs. You got Chris Marsliak. He even did a tweet about the Capybara token. He's trying to support his meme coin ecosystem. We still have yet to see him support some of the community memes, but they've done that with the Crow with Knife listing. I think there's more ahead. There's a world where the Cronos ecosystem, these memes do very well. But be careful, guys. Memes can go to zero. Memes can move 50% in a day, in an hour. There's whales in that. You got to be careful. There's always whales in every coin, but you got to be aware of the volatility that comes in some of these things, guys. It can be real. I'm bullish on CRO. I'm bullish on the Cronos token. I think that this is going to be something we could see in this bull market. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys are somebody out there that wants to trade CRO a little bit and you want to do some leverage trading with it, I know there are some people that have been wondering where you could do that. Well, Blowfin is a great place to do it if you want to check it out. Leverage, it can be a great tool to grow your portfolio. It can also be very risky, so set your stop losses accordingly. This is for experienced traders, but I'll tell you what, if you have not signed up already, note there is $5,000 worth of sign-up bonuses available for you, and right now they have a promotion going on trading fees where you get 10% discount. You'll be grandfathered into this 10% discount on trading fees right now, so Check it out if you haven't done so already, guys. I'm bullish on CRO. I believe that a large move is coming for CRO at some point, probably quite soon. Do you believe in a $5 crow? Let me know in the comments section, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, HODL, and of course, my friends, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you next time. I'm not a financial advisor. I know this is financial advice. 2 videos. Check them out. See you next time. Peace.